Artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning versus data science. How are these four different from each other? Artificial intelligence, the hype word of the 21st century, is used as a word to describe any system that can make certain decisions without human intervention. This can be achieved either by explicit programming, writing logic, or by machine learning. An example of explicit programming is the problem-solving agents. Those are a type of AI designed to solve problems using logic and search strategies. Specifically, they use algorithms and data structures to solve a problem. For instance, a famous problem of vacuum cleaner agents, whose goal is to clean a room that is divided into portions where each cell can either be dirty or clean. The agent's available actions include moving left, right, up, or down, and also sucking up dirt from a cell. This simple problem-solving agent moves to each cell, checks if it is dirty or not, and cleans it if needed. This can be accomplished using explicit programming. Machine learning is a more powerful approach that is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning uses mathematical algorithms, or deep learning, to extract patterns from data sets that can be used to make further predictions. Machine learning algorithms are a set of training algorithms mostly relying on statistical concepts that are used for simpler tasks. Those often have limited capacity for pattern extraction, but are easier to use, and the results can be interpreted more easily. For that reason, ML is often used for working with tabular data like customer data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and contains only neural networks. Neural networks are complex mathematical operations using concepts from calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. Neural networks are today the dominating tools for handling complex data like images, text, videos, and audio because of the unlimited learning capacity that it can provide. However, training deep learning algorithms is a harder task to do and requires deeper knowledge in the field. ChatGPT, DALL-E, and other complex AI systems are using deep learning at the core. Data science intersects all three, but mainly with machine learning. The way data science is different from artificial intelligence is that it includes some statistical methods or data visualization techniques to extract insights from data. For example, conducting a hypothesis testing to test whether males and females have the same average performance in the university. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, subscribe to our channel to be aware of the new videos. Press the like button and let's discuss AI in the comments section.